In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to sign up on Fairmoney app. So all you just have to do, or how to create Fairmoney app, all you just have to do is just open your Fairmoney app. Then it's gonna show just like this, where you see all your financial needs in one place. Apply for loan, transfer funds, pay bills, and much more. You can also slide to the left to see earn interest on your savings, and also if you slide in, you can see get instant loan on of up to 1 million naira. And of course you can also slide in to see 30 free bank transfer anywhere across Nigeria, and 0 account charges, no hidden fees, as well as get your ATM card delivered to your doorstep. Also investment grade rating for BBB, and I don't know what that means. So once you are okay with that, once you read through, because I always like to read through all these features, then you can click on sign up. Once you click on sign up, you provide your phone number right there. If you have a referral code, you can use it here. We're gonna appreciate that if you use our referral code in the description of this video below. We're gonna appreciate that. Then click on apply, and if you of course lost a phone number, you can also try to recover it through this page. So let's say you want to add your phone number, then let's say 9146. So let's say this is your phone number. Then you can click on the next right here on this arrow below right there. So once you click on that, they're gonna send an SMS to your phone number. So once you verify that SMS, you input it to the next page they provided for you. Then you can use that to sign up on Fairmoney app. So then you can proceed on to the next thing. And most times your phone number used to be your account number, but then I'm not sure in this Fairmoney case.